This is a guided visualization exercise that involves the use of release, forgiveness, and joy essential oil blends. If you do not have any of these blends, you may also use lemon or geranium to replace release, geranium or rose to replace forgiveness, and orange or bergamot to replace joy. Please take a moment to prepare these oils and unscrew the caps first by pausing this video. Remember where you place the oils as we will be doing this exercise with your eyes closed later. Find a personal space that is quiet without disturbance. You may also switch off your lights or dim your lights. Get into a comfortable position. You can lie down or sit, whichever you prefer. Close your eyes and begin slowing your breath to a calming, relaxing rhythm. Visualize a place where you are at when you are a child. Maybe this is your school or your playground or your home when you were young. Do you see your teachers, your classmates? How about your parents or your siblings? Recall the time when you might be bullied by your classmates or your siblings. Or maybe you had a fight with them. Did you feel angry, embarrassed, or sad? How about a teacher who scolded you or punished you that you hated so much? Or maybe your parents accused you of something you did not do. Or maybe you are a victim of abuse. You felt really angry and hurt because you were wronged and felt victimized. And as you grew up, you started building walls around yourself to protect your hurt feelings. Do you have colleagues who backstab you or a boss that doesn't recognize your abilities or treated you badly? Remember how you suppressed your anger because you needed the job, and your spouse or partner didn't really understand what you were going through. And how about children that make you angry all the time? How about in-laws that made things even more difficult for you and added to your frustrations? If you'd like to release all of this suppressed anger and emotions, put a drop of release essential oil on your liver area, which is right below your right breast, and another drop on your palms, and deeply inhale. If you don't have release essential oil, you may also use geranium or lemon. Imagine yourself moving forward, feeling calmer and more peaceful as you decide to let go of all the pent up emotions, pain, and anger that you experienced. Go to a place that you feel contented and happy whenever you are upset. A place that you feel safe and comfortable in. Continue breathing slowly as you look around the scene you've created where you felt contented and happy, fully experiencing it with all of your senses. With each inhale, imagine peace and harmony entering your body. Visualize exhaustion, tension, and distress leaving your body as you exhale. Focus on your breath for several seconds, inhaling and exhaling slowly until you find a comfortable, natural rhythm. Visualize the person you want to extend compassion to. That person could be yourself, a loved one, or a not so loved one. Picture them clearly and hold the image in your thoughts. Think of how you feel about this person. These feelings might vary from deep love to animosity. You might simply feel neutral or have no specific feelings for them at all. Imagine challenges or pain they might be facing in their life. It's okay if you don't have concrete knowledge of these difficulties. Everyone experiences troubles, whether they share them with others or not. Now, focus on the feelings you'd like to send. Forgiveness, harmony, peace, or joy. Put a drop of forgiveness oil around your navel and another drop on your palm and deeply inhale. If you don't have forgiveness essential oil, you may also use geranium or rose. Picture these feelings in the form of golden light that spreads from your heart to theirs. You may find it helpful to verbalize these feelings in the form of a mantra, such as, "Thank you for giving me the opportunity to forgive you. May you find peace and happiness." Keep breathing as you repeat the mantra. "Thank you for giving me the opportunity to forgive you. May you find peace and happiness." With each exhale, imagine the golden light leaving you and carrying your feelings and good wishes toward the other person. If you are directing the visualization toward yourself, imagine pain and other difficult feelings easing with each exhale as the golden light travels through your own body. Continue the exercise for 1 to 3 minutes. You might notice feelings of compassion, warmth, and lightheartedness spread throughout your body. Keep breathing as you repeat the mantra, "Thank you for giving me the opportunity to forgive you. May you find peace and happiness." With each exhale, imagine the golden light leaving you and carrying your feelings and good wishes toward the other person. If you are directing the visualization toward yourself, imagine pain and other difficult feelings easing with each exhale as the golden light travels through your own body. Keep breathing as you repeat the mantra, "Thank you for giving me the opportunity to forgive you. May you find peace and happiness." Thank you for giving me the opportunity to forgive you. May you find peace and happiness. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to forgive you. May you find peace and happiness. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to forgive you. May you find peace and happiness. Keep breathing as you repeat the mantra. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to forgive you. May you find peace and happiness. With each exhale, imagine the golden light leaving you and carrying your feelings and good wishes toward the other person. Or if it's directed towards yourself, imagine pain and other difficult feelings easing with each exhale as the golden light travels through your own body. Now put a drop of joy essential oil on your heart chakra and another drop on your palms and deeply inhale. If you don't have joy, you may also use orange or bergamot oil. When inhaled, it brings back memories of being loved, being held, sharing loving times. Filling and opening those blocks in your lives where perhaps we have shut down to love or receiving love or love of self. Put your arms crossed around yourself to give yourself a big hug. Know that you are worthy and loved. When you feel ready, you can leave your vision. Knowing you can return at any time can help your newfound sense of relaxation linger throughout your day. This can help you feel more in control of difficult feelings and allow you to manage stress and frustration more easily.